exactly, or how do you see that potentially?
I think this is premature at the moment because the numbers have still not formed up. But let's not forget, Vishnu, that the Congress had genuinely several people. Praveen Chakravarti was here in the morning and he said, look, there was a genuine effort, there was an offer that was made, there was communication between the two sides. I think the TVK wanted the alliance with the Congress stuck with the DMK. And in hindsight, it's been a terrible mistake on the part of the Congress. No, if they got even 20-30 seats, and with the Congress, TVK could have got a great number. Now, if it's going to firm up around this number, Vishnu, where it's 105 right now, for the TVK, TVK still needs 12 more to get the magic mark. 117 is the magic mark. The Congress does not have enough numbers now. Now, everyone's going to take a big line, stand outside Panayur, the residence of Vijay, and say, please, sir, Vanakkam, take us in your party.
Yeah, Vanakkam, but he's not going to say Vanakkam.
He's going to say, no, Vanakkam, well done.
Do we still have Vasudha with us? All right, Vasudha, sorry I interrupted you earlier on. You broke this news of the Congress trying to have its open lines of communication with the TVK. Realistically, given the fact that the Congress doesn't really have those numbers, how exactly do they intend to make a difference?
Well, this is also the Congress thinking a long-term, Vishnu, and this is not often that the party does this. There are also factions within the Congress party. There is one that's led by Praveen Chakravarti, Manikam Tagore, and several others, and there's also one that's led by Mr. Kharge and P. Chidambaram, who believe, that the DMK Congress alliance should have stayed, and of course that stayed. But yes, now what we understand is that talks have begun between these leaders, and these are two leaders extremely close to Vijay in the TVK, and of course one leader very close to Rahul Gandhi. We'll have to wait and see. At some point, Rahul Gandhi is also expected to talk to Vijay today, is what we understand. We'll get more on this as numbers firm up and the trend lies, and there'll be some clarity on how many seats does Vijay actually need. But this is also Congress trying to ensure that it has a long-term strategy TVK in place, because for the Congress party, it's not just the state elections that matter. The parliamentary elections are also going to be very important.
Vasudha Madhavan Narayan here has just come up with a nice tagline. He says all political parties, I said all political parties will be outside Panayur residence trying to say Vanakkam Vijay. He says he may not want to say Vanakkam to me.